feeling right now?
Actually, I'm feeling a bit nervous, but I know I can handle well since this is my first chance to show to the whole Ventriemos that I deserve to win the crown. Thank you.
Don't be afraid because this is a very casual question. Okay, my question is, what important core value of a Kapitenya coming from General Trias would you like to share to the young women of Cavite?
One important core value that General Trias have is the word malasakit or compassionate. Because you know, as a little trivia, I joined Binibining General Trias 2022 and I got the third place. And I got a role model for that being compassionate, which is Mayor Jonathan Ferrer and Mama Net Ferrer. Because I got the chance to visit our foundation, which is the Bukit Kabataan Center. So this is not just a beauty pageant, but we have a purpose. We have this foundation and I want to inspire the youth and the future generation that being malasakit can change the world. Thank you.
Very well done. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Edge of Pageantology. Can I call Miss Binibining Santiago 1, Tejero, and Hawaiian 1? Awesome Hawaiian 1. Pagka kayo girl, dalawang magpasang kawayan. 1. Alright. Girls, ay lapit kayo sa mic. Lapit kayo sa mic nila. Ito ang mic. So, naiwan natin si Miss Tejero. Hi, Miss Tejero. Oo. How old are you muna?
I'm 19 years old.
First time mo bang sumali sa ganitong na pageant?
Yes, po. It's the first time.
Oo, ang ganda mo girl, no? Anong height mo? Anong height mo?
5'3".
5'3".
Yes.
So, Binibining Tejero, can you give us 3 interesting facts about you na gusto mong i-share sa amin?
About what?
Fun fact about you.
The interesting about me is I will able to show my talents in front of everyone, even though in the backstage I'm super nervous, but in front of everyone I will able to give all my effort. And also the second one is I always think positive because that is the most important, so that you can feel nervous. And then the third one and the last thing is I give my all.
Thank you so much, girl. Ganda mo. And of course, our next is Miss Santiago 1. Miss Santiago, how old are you, Iha?
I'm 19 years old.
19 also. First time mag-join mga Miss. So, kung sino naman ang feeling na nakagaw ko ngayon?
Well, kapag po nakagaw ng isang binibini, sumisimbolo ito nung hindi lamang sa pananamit. Kumbaga, ito ay parang isang corona rin sa isang binibini.
Ay, talagang, hindi ba yun yung final question ko? Oo. Iha, who's your favorite beauty queen and why?
Well, my favorite beauty queen is, we all know her. She is Catriona Gay, and she inspires me to be one of the candidates today.
Thank you so much, girl. Ganda. And of course, ang ating Pasong Kawayan 1. Nakakapaso ang ganda ni Pasong Kawayan. Ilan taon na Iha? 21. Jumo-join ka ba ng mga pageant before mo?
This is my first time. So I'm really blessed because I get the chance to explain this kind of event.
Pero parang veterana ka daw. Yung first time na pala. Okay, may question. If you can have a project or program as Binibining Gentry 2025, ano ito?
I think as a youth leader and a proud customs administration student, I would like to make a project about a production making using our own skills, because I believe that everyone has their own talent and we can go beyond the border. Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Hello, good afternoon. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. I'd like to call Jasmine Faith Amparo from Aligaro. And also Karen Lee from Macau 1. And also Alisa Kate Roji from Macau 2. Let's have first Jasmine. Hello, Jasmine. Good afternoon. So, kumusta ka?
Good afternoon, it's my first time actually. My heart is overflowing with joy because I see so much familiar faces supporting me right now.
So, first time ka rin mag-join? Alright. So, my question for you is, as a first timer, ano yung look forward mo dito sa Binibining Gen 3 2025 Passion?
I always look forward to the year itself, for the growth, for the self-discovery, and especially to the incredible people that I meet about the way. I believe that pageantry isn't just about the crown, but also the experience, the learnings, and how should I use it as a stepping stone to grow and to inspire others.
Thank you so much, Ricky. And let's have from Macau 1. Alright. Hello, dear.
Hello po.
First time mo din mag-join ng pageant?
Yes po.
Okay. As a first time mo also, what is your best asset and why?
For me po, I believe that my best asset is having a good behavior, because I believe that being beauty queen is not just about being beauty physically, but also being beauty inside. And I also believe that I wanted to be known as a woman of beauty. A woman is not just, I don't want to be known a woman who is just beautiful, but I want to be known as a woman with a purpose and a woman with a heart for her community. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And let's have Macau 2. Hi dear, gusto ko bang pag-ibig sa mga fans mo ngayon?
Hi, good afternoon everyone. And first of all, I would like to thank my fans and my supporters out there. Thank you for attending our event tonight.
Alright, your question is, what do you have that will make you stand out among your co-candidates?
I believe that we as a woman has an equal. I believe I am a woman who has a strong vision and a passion for everyone. A woman who is compassionate, that is caring for other people, not only for the youth, but for the whole Gen 3 seniors. And I am also a woman with decisiveness by being able to guide throughout my decision. And I believe that that is a true woman that a true Filipino Gen 3 must have. And I embody those traits. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, I'm Paul from Pageant Julius International. Kay Binibining Manggahan at kay Binibining Navarro. Navarro and Palumya. This is your question. Hello, how are you? this is your question. Do you think the pageantry contest is still relevant in your generation today? I will repeat, do you think the pageantry contest is still relevant in your generation today?
Thank you for the question. So, personally, I do think that the pageantry is still relevant in our generation as we, the candidates, all have our advocacies and the issues we are facing today has been addressed somehow. And I think pageantry is one very good way in addressing these issues and making use of this platform given to us.
Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Revealing Isabel Kimbao.
This is your question. What unique attraction or experiences would you promote to tourists visiting General Trias?
Could you
What unique attraction or experience would you promote to tourists visiting in General Trias?
I believe that General Trias is more than just its tourist attractions, because it is the people that makes the place, General Trias, what it is. So in my opinion, it is not just the attractions, the industrial parks, but rather the people, the community, the staff, who make it beautiful and wonderful and make an experience in General Trias as beautiful as I can. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Good luck. I will pick Biglatan and Buena Vista too. Good afternoon, Binibinis. First is congratulations for making it as official candidates for Binibini Gentry 2025. Biglatan, how old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
My boyfriend. Okay. Wala na. Okay, if you would choose love or crown, and why?
I believe that type of question is very confusing if it was asked before, but now we women can achieve so much more and juggle different things and doing so many responsibilities all at once. I am a working student, a businesswoman, and a model and a content creator, and despite all of those responsibilities, I managed to fulfill my duties as a girlfriend.
Thank you. Hi, Buena Vista too.
Hi.
How old are you?
I'm 5'7". Yeah, 5'7".
Grabe, ang pagkat mo. And you look so gorgeous in white.
Thank you.
Okay, for your question, what do you think young people of General Trias do to help their community?
It's a very interesting question. I hope all the young people that are present here in General Trias are actively listening. So if you are one of those young people, of course, one thing that you can do to contribute to your community is to simply a good person. You know, everything starts from within and kindness is free. So all we have to do is do goodness or kindness rather that we can offer to the people or to our fellow Genristanians.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who hasn't been called yet? Pinaktipunan and the one in actually Santiago. Okay. Hi.
Hi, good evening.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
This is my question. I was able to interview Ms. Monica Kennedy, person earlier, and I asked her about the cash prize of this year's pageant, and the amount is going to be 60,000 pesos. If you win the pageant, where would you spend your cash prize?
Well, for me, winning is just a plus. Right now, I am currently working in myself. And if ever that I won this pageant, I will be sharing the half to help the youth with my project, that is in one of my advocacy, music as therapy for mental health. And I am really eager to do this project because I put my whole heart into it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Congratulations. Next lady is Miss San Francisco Water.
And to our leaders and executive committees. I am feeling very nervous but at the same time very excited because I get to represent my beloved San Francisco!
As a cheering squad mo, since you're in front of them right now and you're up against 19 equally gorgeous women, what do you think will make you stand out amongst your co-candidates in this year's pageant?
Oh wow, that is really very intriguing question. But all of my co-candidates are really stunning, beautiful, and intelligent. And I am so honored to be working alongside with them. But my edge among other candidates is I am a public servant for years now. And I'm joining in this pageant because I see this as an opportunity to work closely with the Sangguniang Kabataan in implementing projects that will benefit the youth and the whole Gen-Triseños. And I think that is what I want to bring in this competition, to show everyone that we Binibinis are not just here to impress everyone, but we are here to serve our fellow Gen-Triseños. Thank you!
Winner, best of luck to you. Which girl hasn't been called yet? Okay, the girl in white in the middle. Are you raising your hand? Okay. Hello there, Miss Beautiful, Miss Pasong Kamashine.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Wow. Now that I'm looking at you closer, you really have a beautiful set of eyes. Big set of eyes.
Thank you so much.
So how are you feeling right now?
Well, honestly, I'm a little bit nervous, but as well as I am grateful that I can see how supportive the Gen-Triseños to us, the Filipinos.
Okay. Are you ready for my question?
Yes, sir.
Sige, this will test your personality kung kaya mo to. If not you, who amongst your co-candidates should win the crown?
Well, honestly, if I am not leader, I should be the one who will the crown. Well, if that's the question, I would rather choose. I only want to choose myself. Why? Why would I choose myself? Because I know that I have the capability of doing and being the Binibining champion. And my mindset is about keep going. That's the thing, that's my advocacy, that is what I am believing right now, is that if I have a lot of struggles in life, and also I am a working student right now, and I do believe that those dedication I have right now is a qualities that I have. So I know I deserve the spot. Thank you.
Winner! Best of luck to you, Pasong Kamashi.
Hello, good afternoon. Alright, sino yung hindi pa natatawa? Alright, si Santiago. And then Santiago. Alright, Santiago. Alright, Santiago. Can you introduce yourself sa mga viewers natin? Ano yung pinagkakabahan natin?
Hello everyone, I am Angela Saclona. I'm proudly representing Barangay San Saclona. Right now, I am a second-year college student with a Bachelor of Science of Tourism and Management.
Alright, so my question is, how will you convince the judges and then the Binibining Gentry organization to choose you as the winner of Binibining Gentry 2025?
I know I deserve to win the crown because I have the three qualities that I know showcases my personality. First is I am genuine. I am genuine because I am true to myself. Second is I am positive. I always see the good in everyone. And then I provide hope. Hope for not only for myself but also for the people around me. And that is why I deserve to win the crown.
Thank you. Santiago. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I'm Erica De Lima, proudly representing Barangay Santiago.
Okay, so my question is, what Ganlang Gentry means to you?
For me, Ganlang Gentry, Galing Gentry, means to me that every woman here in Gentry has the talent, beauty, brain, and body to proudly represent the Gentry, especially for the national pageant. That's it.
Thank you, best of luck.
Good afternoon again, ladies. Sino pa yung mga hindi magtagal? Dalawa. Yes, please. Please step forward. Pasok Kawawayan 2A and Pasok Kamachile 2A. Meron phone questions sige. Yeah. Yes, Binibinis. I have a simple question for the both of you, just one question. How do you define a Binibining gentry? Yes, you may go ahead.
First of all, I want to greet everyone. Good afternoon, and thank you for being here. Thank you for spending or lending us some of your time, even though you have a lot of things to do. How do I define a Binibining gentry? Personally, for me, a Binibining gentry is a Binibining that has the heart of a queen. When I say a heart of a queen, this heart is full of compassion, service, perseverance, as well as truth. That's what makes a Binibining gentry. She should be transparent, she should be always ready to serve, she should have a heart that is compassionate for everyone, she should have sympathy for everyone, and she should be a good role model, a good symbol of a woman that is a leader and that is a good representation of the youth. A Binibining gentry, with or without a crown, during and after her reign, should always stay and have a heart of gold from a heart of a Binibining. As we all say, Gandang Gentry, Galing Gentry.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I would say that a Binibining gentry is someone who is kind, hardworking and also community-driven. Wherein kindness is where we can spread our love and also our care towards other people, and also hardworking. Binibining Gentry is one of the greatest responsibility, have a greatest responsibility as a Philippine, because Philippine is not just all about the outer beauty, but also how we serve and help other people in our community, in our country. And lastly, community-driven, wherein we don't just care towards the people, but also in all living things, because as an advocate of animal welfare, I advocate to care and love for those who are help the voice for those who are voiceless. Thank you.
Ang gagaling naman pala lahat ng mga candidates mo rin at Ms. Moreta. So,
Last question first for you. I don't know who is General Trias. Thank you so much po for inviting us. Thank you. Napasabog. Hindi na kailangan i-train direct. Diba, Tracy?
yes, we were told that you guys have to really prepare pa, pero ang galing. Congratulations to the organizing committee for choosing these 19 candidates of different barangays.